Hello Tuggers, welcome to Tug Helpful Video Guide number 6. What we're going to discuss in this helpful video guide is how to search for ads in the marketplace. We have thousands and thousands of resale and rental ads in our marketplace. We get thousands and thousands of people coming every day to look for resale and rental ads. We provide a very robust marketplace search tool that allows you to narrow down exactly what you're looking for in the marketplace, so you don't have to worry about filtering through these thousands of ads. We're going to show you a quick and easy way to do it. So first, to get to the timeshare marketplace on Tug, doesn't matter what page you're on. You can either go across the bar on the top and choose timeshare marketplace, or click the timeshare marketplace link here right on the home page. As you see, the timeshare marketplace homepage is by default broken down into our 6 main categories for timeshares for sale, timeshares for rent, bargain basement ads, exchange ads, buy wish ads, these are people looking to buy timeshares right now, and rent wish ads, these are people looking to rent timeshares right now. And as always, you can select any of these main categories to bring up a quick and easy list of all the timeshares for sale or for rent or for exchange or bargain basement in any of these regional categories that we have broken down here on Tug. But for many owners, they're looking for much more specific search results, and so we provide this search classified ads tool at the top left-hand corner of the page. Clicking that will take you to our robust search tool. As you see, there are a ton of options here that you can select, and it's very, very important to note that each of these options is optional. You don't have to check all these boxes. You don't have to fill all of this in. The less you fill in, the more broad your search is going to be. So it really depends on what you're looking for. So we're going to start here up at the top, where you can type in part of the name of resort, a resort chain. It'll automatically fill this information in for you, or you can just leave it by default. For example, we can just type in Marriott. And we see all the Marriotts that are listed. We can select any one of these we want if we're looking for a particular resort, or we can technically just select the word Marriott, and it will search all Marriott resorts. If we were just to click search right now, it would return all resale and rental listings for all Marriott resorts in Tug. If you want to break down into the categories here, again, this is the exact same query that was done on the page before. You don't have to select this if you don't want to, unless you're specifically just looking for Marriotts in Hawaii or Marriotts in Canada, or so on and so forth. After selecting one of these, you could actually break it down into the individual subcategories, which are the cities inside those individual categories. We're going to show you a neat way to do that on the next page here. Third line, are you looking for sale, for rent, or exchange? Obviously, are you looking for resales? Are you looking for rentals? Are you looking for exchange ads? Are you looking for resales or rentals? You can check or uncheck these boxes as you see fit to pick up whatever category that you're looking for. The types of ads: are you looking for a fixed week, a floating week, points week, other ads listed in there? Again, all of these are not mandatory. You don't have to check any of these boxes if you don't want. It just gives you the ability to narrow down resorts if you are specifically looking for a specific week at a specific resort or in a specific system. You have the ability to filter it down there. But not checking any of these boxes will allow you to browse all of the ads that fall into the category that you're looking for. Availability year, you can select the first year of availability if you're looking for a rental or a resale that you have to use this year or have to use by 2016. You can select those. Individual week numbers, you have to select a year, and you can select if you're looking for a specific week of the year to look things inside there. For example, I need week 10 of, obviously not going to work for 2015, so I need week 51 for 2015, and I can select that inside there. Or again, you can leave it blank and it will return all of the results for 2015. So what start day? What's the check-in day that you're looking for? You want one that has Friday, Saturday, Sunday, just Friday, just Saturday, just Sunday? Which of these you want? If you're not sure or you're flexible, you don't need to check any of these boxes. Leave them blank and it will return all results. If you have a price range that you're looking for, a minimum price, you can list for $1, maximum price. You don't want to pay more than $10,000. So you list these inside there. Also have the ability to select seasons: red, white, blue, green, platinum, gold. All of the options that you have to list there. Again, don't have to select any of these if you don't want to, or if you're not sure, just leave them blank. Do you have a minimum or a maximum number of bedrooms you're looking for? Again, all of these are the features that are asked when people post their ads. So all of these are searchable tools that you can use in the marketplace to narrow down your search. But again, none of these are required. So if you're flexible or you're not looking for something incredibly specific like that, just go ahead and leave it blank. And when you're done with that, you can click the search feature. And so now we have the returning for Marriott resorts that give me all the for sale and for rent, because again, I didn't narrow it down. I didn't say I wanted specific for sale or for rent. Other options that you can use here to narrow down these results even more. You have this little filter bar up here at the top, and one neat option you have is when you click the drop down, it'll actually display all of the cities that these ads are currently listed for. It will only populate these if there's an actual ad listed for that. So if I want a Marriott in Boston, I can click that and it shows me the 2 custom house ads that I have. If I want Marriott's in Breckenridge, it'll show me the 2 ads for Breckenridge that I have. If I want to go to Miami, it'll show me the ads in Miami. So it's a super awesome, super easy way to narrow down your results. You can also type in the name of the resort. If you particularly you're looking for, I just type in Doral. I can't think of too many that are on there. You could type in just the letter, and it'll show all of the ones that are listed that have the letter D in them. It's not very useful one there, so but I can look for Lakeshore. And so now I see the 3 rentals for Lakeshore Reserve. This filter tab is a fantastic way to narrow down the search results if you start very, very broad and you want to narrow it down to very, very small. So it's a super, super handy tool that you can select. You can also choose this to select weeks. For example, you did a number 1, it'll show me weeks containing the number 1 inside there. So it's a very, very handy tool that you can list there, and obviously deleting everything in there will bring me back to all of the Marriott ads for sale and for rent currently listed in the marketplace. So we're going to go back one more time to the marketplace search tool. Just to go over it one more time, you see it'll reload for me, so start from scratch. Very, very important that the most commonly used one is the very top, so that you can either start typing in the name of a resort or type in the developer, whether it's Wyndham or Diamond or Starwood or whatever you happen to be looking for, to immediately narrow down your search results. Or if you just don't want to look for a specific resort and you're looking for a specific location, you can leave that completely blank and just select, well, I'm looking for a timeshare in Mexico. And within Mexico, I want to only go to Cancun. That's all I'm really looking for, and I'm looking to buy a Cancun timeshare. And I don't care about any of this other stuff. I just want to see what all Cancun timeshares for sale there are. So as you see, I've only selected these 3 options. Clicking the search feature is now going to list all of these timeshares for sale in Mexico. As you see, tons of Royals, Villa del Palmar, Paradisus, Royal Sands, and at that point, I'm only really want to the Royal resorts. So I'm just going to type in Royal. So it's going to narrow all these resorts down to just displaying Royal resorts for me using this filter tool. So very, very handy way to use both of these options to narrow down your search and find exactly what you're looking for in the Tug timeshare marketplace. So we hope this makes it much, much easier for folks looking for resales and looking for rentals in the timeshare marketplace to narrow down the thousands and thousands of ads we have on Tug to find exactly what you're looking for and ensure that you get the right ad in front of you and make that deal so that you can buy that resale or rent that timeshare and enjoy that wonderful vacation. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to talking to you in the next video that we have next week. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Goodbye.